Oh, the puppies are getting cuter and cuter by every day. We have puppy picking this weekend. They're about 5.5 weeks old. Look at all these little tail waggles. Hi, pups. They can't wait to meet their new families. They were just being so darn cute and awake. Yes. Being good pups. Being good pups. Says we got lots of tail wiggles. Yes, we do. Hi. Hi. Yes. Oh, you think. Oh. Let's see. Looks like Betsy's over here taking a nap, chewing on a toy. Who we got? There's Revere sitting by himself, and Rosa, and Harriet, and this is Washington, and Franklin, Clara, and that leaves Hancock over here. Are you Hancock? And you are indeed Hancock. Hi, Hancock. Oh, hi. How are you? Yes, you guys are so darn cute. So, F1B, 5.5 week old Goldendoodle puppies.